Right, hello, it's the head shed. I'm laughing, but I should be crying really, because I've got so far and I thought we were possibly going to have it running today, only to be thwarted by when the gearbox rubbers arrived and the gear ball arrived. I put them in last night. It was joyfully expected to be selecting gears, only to discover that we haven't got any and the gearbox is bollocks. So it's at it. So right, the R380 box that was obviously in the XJ Series 3 is no good. Now obviously this one's no good, but the ones I've got next door should be good. So I think what I'm going to do, apart from burst into tears, is take it all back off again, drop it out on the floor and change it for one of the others. My assistant has said to me, joyfully, can we make sure the other one works before we put it all back in? Now I'm actually tempted to try and get it to start before I drop it all out, because that way I'll then know whether the engine's any good. So possibly to be continued. We've also got the screen measurements now, so we know roughly what we're going to be doing, and we're trying to get hold of the screen, so we're hoping that we can do that. So we're not going to give up totally, but it is just so depressing that we were getting on so well. I mean, in fact, to be honest, I thought it was going too well. Even the radiator's savable, being recorded, so the radiator is not fine. The calipers I've got, the seal kit was for nothing. I mean, I just really am sad about the old gearbox. So I'm not going to burst into tears, I'm not going to cry, I'm a grown man. In a situation like this, what do? Shoot the hostage. No, I know. Have a drink. I haven't got anything to drink. So, still got plenty to do, still got plenty to keep me occupied, and still got things I'm trying to do. Right guys, just a quick edge shedders here. This is obviously the engine removal. Now we're not going to take the whole engine out. All we're going to do is we're going to lift it up, pull it forward, drop it down straight onto the floor, onto bits of wood, take the gearbox off under there, and then we should be able to see, and it should go back in the same way. That possibly is the fastest engine removal. How long has it been doing it?
About 40 minutes.
Yeah, so about 40 minutes, car's manifold off, everything back off, messed up the water pump gasket, but thankfully I found it before I realised because the gasket was wrong anyway. So you got 10 mil. Or it might, is that 10 mil? I think it's 10 mil.
Have a look.
Yeah. See, real life underneath workmanship. Oh, he's winding out the torch in his eye.
You just shone the light in my eye.
That's because I want to see you. I can't see you under there. Anyway, so that's it. Engine removal. So that's the plan. Like so many plans, we're going to have the boys out by Christmas. Anyway, yeah. So let's just keep our fingers crossed that it goes according to plan.
That nipple's out and it's in this box.
All right, okay. Anyway, so here we go.
In the roses.
We hopefully got windscreen coming next week for a test fit, so we'll see. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.